I will present, this is my presentation. This is the 5 questions. Number 1. What is implicit inheritance in Blade and how can it be used in a real-world application? Difference. Implicit inheritance is in Blade in a feature that follow developers to create a master layout, a base, templates, and let others view. Instead, that layout disavoid or the application and ensures consistency across multiple pages of Laravel application. Example, a website with the same header, footer, and sidebar across multiple pages. Number 2, how can Blade section and need to be utilized to manage content in different views. Blade section and need word together to manage content and connection between layouts and child views. Lead section name in a layout acts as a placeholder. So, ito po yung example niya. Number 3. How do Blade control structures makes your code more reliable compared to raw PHP. Blades provide clean, concise directives for control structures that are easier to read and write than raw PHP tags. Example. So, ito po yung example po. Number 4. What is the purpose of the syntax in Blade and why is it important for security? The syntax in Blade is used to echo variable or expression in the view. It automatically escapes the output to prevent cross-site scripting XSS attacks. Example. It's hello world. Number 5. How can Blade component and slots be used to create reasonable UV elements city goals? Blade component slot allow you to create reasonable and encapsulated UI elements with customizable content. Components are like mini templates that can accept data and be included in views. Slots are placeholders inside components where you can inject custom content. So this is that sample.